Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by diagnosing why AI training is not available on your device. Check your OS version and update if it is older than the supported release. Inspect system memory to confirm you have at least 8 GB RAM and 4 GB GPU RAM available for training tasks. Open the BIOS or UEFI to verify virtualization and confirm the CPU has 4 or more logical cores enabled. Note any error messages from the training app and copy exact text for the next step. Next, enable required drivers and operating system features for AI training. Install the latest GPU driver and matching CUDA or ROCm version required by your training framework. Update your OS to the latest build and enable virtualization and any GPU compute features in system settings. If GPU memory is constrained, free at least 4 GB GPU RAM or increase system swap, and ensure you have a minimum of 8 GB system RAM. Reboot after updates and check device visibility in the framework. If hardware remains incompatible, follow practical workarounds to proceed with training tasks. Run training in CPU-only mode using Python 3.10 and allocate at least 4 CPU cores as a fallback option for development work. Spin up a cloud GPU instance or use a local Docker container pre-configured with the required drivers if your device cannot support GPU compute. Start with a small sample model and monitor memory and temperature, aiming to keep GPU use under 2 GB initially to validate configuration and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.